Did you know that the food you eat first thing in the morning can either kickstart your metabolism or completely shut it down? Yes, your breakfast choices can actually help your body burn more calories, feel more energized, and even support long-term weight loss. Today, we're revealing the top 10 metabolism-boosting breakfast foods you should be eating and exactly why they work. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down health, fitness, and nutrition into simple, actionable tips to help you feel your best. In this video, we're diving into 10 powerful breakfast foods, each backed by science, that can help fire up your metabolism and keep your energy going strong all day. These aren't fancy superfoods you'll never find. They're practical, easy to prepare, and incredibly effective. Let's talk real life. You wake up, skip breakfast, or maybe grab something quick like a muffin or sugary cereal, and then by mid-morning, you're sluggish, hungry, and already reaching for snacks. Sound familiar? That's what happens when you start your day with the wrong fuel. When your metabolism is slow in the morning, it affects everything: your energy, your focus, and even how your body stores fat. But with the right breakfast foods, you can wake up your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, and set yourself up for fat-burning success all before 10 a.m. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are a metabolic powerhouse. They're loaded with high-quality protein, about 6 grams per egg, and contain all 9 essential amino acids. When you eat protein-rich foods like eggs, your body burns more calories digesting them, thanks to the thermic effect of food. Plus, eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that helps your liver process fat more efficiently. Eating eggs in the morning has been shown to reduce cravings, increase satiety, and boost fat-burning hormones throughout the day. Try this: scramble them with spinach, make an omelet with chili flakes, or hard-boil a few in advance for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. Number 2. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, all packed with antioxidants, fiber, and polyphenols. What makes them metabolic friendly? Their high fiber slows digestion, keeping your blood sugar steady and helping prevent insulin spikes, which can lead to fat storage. They also feed your gut microbiome, and a healthy gut equals a healthier metabolism. Low in calories and sugar, berries are the perfect natural sweetener that supports fat burning. Try this: add them to oatmeal, blend them into a protein smoothie, or top off your Greek yogurt with a handful. Number 3. Avocados. Creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutritious avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation and support healthy hormone levels. These fats also suppress appetite and increase satiety, meaning you'll stay fuller longer. Plus, avocados contain fiber and potassium, both of which support metabolic health and digestion. Try this: mash on whole grain toast with lemon and chili flakes, or slice on top of scrambled eggs for a triple metabolism boost. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea isn't just relaxing, it's scientifically proven to boost your metabolism. It contains catechins, specifically EGCG, and a small dose of caffeine, both of which increase thermogenesis, your body's calorie-burning process. Studies show that green tea can increase daily energy expenditure by up to 100 calories with no extra effort. Try this: sip it hot with breakfast, pour it over ice for a refreshing drink, or add matcha powder to your morning smoothie for extra potency. Number 5. Almonds and walnuts. These little nutrient bombs are full of healthy fats, magnesium, fiber, and plant-based protein. They help keep blood sugar levels stable and provide sustained energy. Magnesium is especially important. It's involved in over 300 metabolic reactions, including the conversion of food to energy. Nuts also help maintain lean muscle mass, and more muscle equals a faster metabolism. Try this: sprinkle on top of oatmeal, mix into yogurt, or grab a handful alongside a banana for a quick, energizing breakfast. Number 6. Oats. Oats are one of the best sources of complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which lowers cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar. They digest slowly, preventing insulin spikes and crashes that zap your energy. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and make the perfect base for other metabolism-friendly toppings. Try this: cook a warm bowl with almond butter and cinnamon, or prep overnight oats with chia seeds and fruit. Number 7. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium, which supports muscle function and fluid balance, especially after exercise. And when they're slightly green, they contain resistant starch, which helps feed healthy gut bacteria and improves insulin sensitivity. They're easy, portable, and a perfect natural energy source. Try this. Slice onto toast with peanut butter, blend into your smoothie, or mix with Greek yogurt and walnuts. Number 8. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula. These greens are packed with iron, magnesium, vitamin C, and even plant-based protein. They help your body produce energy at the cellular level and oxygenate your blood, improving stamina and calorie burning. Greens are low in calories but high in metabolism-activating nutrients. Try this. Toss a handful into scrambled eggs, smoothies, or breakfast wraps. You'll barely taste them, but your metabolism will notice. Number 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains twice the protein of regular yogurt and is rich in probiotics, which improve digestion and gut health. Protein helps maintain lean muscle, and gut health plays a huge role in your metabolism and nutrient absorption. Choose the plain, unsweetened variety to avoid hidden sugars and support better fat burning. Try this. Layer with berries and nuts for a balanced bowl, or make a savory version with cucumber, dill, and olive oil. Number 10. Chili peppers, hot sauce. Spicy foods ignite more than just your taste buds, they also increase your core temperature, which helps boost metabolism. The secret is capsaicin, a compound found in hot peppers that promotes fat oxidation and appetite suppression. Studies show it can temporarily increase your metabolism by up to 8%. Try this. Add hot sauce to your eggs or avocado toast, mix chili flakes into your oats. Yes, it's a thing. Or spice up your smoothie with a pinch of cayenne. So there you have it. 10 powerful breakfast foods that not only taste amazing, but help turn your body into a calorie-burning machine. From eggs to berries, oats to green tea, it's all about giving your body the right fuel first thing in the morning. You don't need to change everything at once. Just start by adding 2 or 3 of these foods into your breakfast rotation, and you'll start noticing more energy, fewer cravings, and better fat loss results. If this video gave you some new ideas, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Tell us in the comments, which of these breakfast foods are you already eating? Which ones will you try tomorrow? And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because our next video is all about foods that burn belly fat while you sleep, and you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, your metabolism isn't fixed. It responds to what you do every day. So start strong, eat smart, and keep that engine running. See you in the next one.